Hey guys, I was out and about the other day, ran across some horseweed that had been cut down. It was mostly dry, but I kind of let it sit around here in the sun for a couple days, make sure it was good and dry, and I thought I'd give it a try on this Juniper hearth board here, see if we can get us a little fire going. I've done a little bit of work on the hand drill, but mostly used mullein. I haven't used a whole lot of other materials other than mullein, and so I just thought I would give this a try. It's actually been a while since I've done the hand drill, so wanted to get a little bit of practice in. This hearth might be actually a little too thick. The juniper is really soft, so that might make up for it a little bit. Give this a whirl. Got some locust bark here, but I don't have a whole lot, so use this dead grass kind of as tongs to hold on to it. Almost actually lost it there for a second. anyhow, that was horseweed spindle on a juniper perk board, so worked out pretty good. Definitely need lots more practice on the hand drill. Practice doesn't necessarily make perfect, but it definitely makes you a lot better. So anyhow, this is Kevin. Thanks for watching.